All right, guys, here we go. Super excited about this one. This is Psalmonica. This is their Root Activator Shampoo, and we are in the shower. We are going to see what it's like. It is their natural hair growth support, providing less hair loss, breakage, all kinds of other fun stuff. Thicker, fuller hair is what they are after, and they got all kinds of cool stuff in here. With regards to ingredients. But we're going to see how does it lather it up, how does it feel, and maybe how does it smell as well. So let's go ahead and see. When you get in here, this is the black bottle version. There are a couple different options that you have. It is a pump bottle, 10.1 fluid ounces. Let's go ahead and open it up. So there is an open. You're going to twist to open and should pop the top just like so. And there you have it. Nice little easy amount of it. We're going to drop it down and go ahead and see about lathering it up. Let's get the hair going here. Got to get the hair wet. A little in the hands and a little bit of lather. Smells like basic shampoo. No crazy smell to it, but you can see it's got a really good lather. No issues there. So you don't need very much of it, as you can tell, but lathered up really well without any issues. As far as directions go, not a whole lot of directions other than getting in your hair and rubbing it in really good. And you can see that is all you need with a proper wash of your hair. Guys, that is really it. Smells good. It's going to be Root Activator Shampoo. So going to do everything it needs to do with regards to it. So make sure you test a little bit at a time to see how much you need depending on your current hair growth. Guys, check out Root Activator Shampoo.